Hey there, YouTubers! Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a stunning YouTube banner using Wepik's editor. First things first, choose one of Wepik's templates that resonates with your channel's theme or aesthetics. Now it's time to customize every element of the banner. Play around with colors, texts, shapes, and images to reflect your channel's identity. Don't forget to include important information. This helps viewers connect with your brand beyond YouTube. Your channel now has a unique, personalized banner. Now it's time to share. Simply click on the download button and select the high-resolution option. And that's Wepik, design made easy for your business.